Greetings to all the students. Happy to share the online class to all the students. Today we are going to solve the 15th problem in case of internal reconstruction. The balance sheet of A Company Limited stood as follows. We have 38,000 shares of rupees 100 each, 38 lakh. Debentures 2 lakh, creditors 2 lakh, land and building 2 lakh, machinery 5 lakh 20,000, furniture 40,000, stock 7 lakh 40,000, debtors 3 lakh 60,000, goodwill 4 lakh, PL account we have 19 lakh 40,000. The company is to be reconstructed as follows. The shares of rupees 100 each are to be reduced to an equal number of fully paid shares of rupees 40 each. To issue 2,000 new shares of rupees 40 each as fully paid up to the debenture holders as full settlement. The amount available is to be utilized in writing off the goodwill and PL account, and the balance is written down with the value of machinery. The authorized capital of the company is 40,000 shares of rupees 100 each. Give the journal entry and prepare capital reduction account and the reconstructed balance sheet. The balance sheet of A Company Limited stood as follows. So we have 38 lakh shares. They have not mentioned the class of shares. We assume that it's equity share. Then we have debentures, creditors, asset side land and building, machinery, furniture, stock, debtor, and then we have goodwill 4 lakh, and then PL account it's 19 lakh 40,000. As explained plenty times, PL account appearing in asset side is a loss. The purpose of internal reconstruction is to write off the losses. So PL account annu ಅಸೆಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಪುನಃ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶನೇ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಅಂತ ಖರ್ಚು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ PL account have to be written off. The company is to be reconstructed as follows. The shares of rupees 100 each are to be reduced to an equal number of fully paid shares of rupees 40 each. It means 100 rupees share is reduced to 40. Then 60 rupees is called capital reduction. 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರೋ ಶೇರು 40 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಇಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದು 60 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. To issue 2,000 new shares of rupees 40 each as fully paid up to the debenture holders as full settlement. It means the debenture holders are 2 lakh. Okay, debenture holders are 2 lakh. You are going to issue 2,000 shares of rupees 40 each. So 2,000 shares into 40 each, you get 80,000. That means where you are supposed to pay 2 lakh, you are settling only 80,000. It means 1,20,000 is capital reduction. ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಇರೋದು 2 ಲಕ್ಷ. 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರು ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೆಕ್ಕನ್ನ ತೀರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2,000 into 40 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 80,000. ಸೊ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡೋ ಅಂತ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೇವಲ 80,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೆಕ್ಕನ ತೀರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ 1,20,000 ಬಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್. Next, the amount available is to be utilized in writing off the goodwill and PL account balance. PL account and the balance is written down with the value of machinery. So ಏನು ಸಾಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂಡವಾಳನ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಉಳಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವೋ ಆ ಹಣ ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ PL ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಉಳಿದದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಣ ಉಳಿಕೆ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಿಷನರಿಗೆ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Whatever the profit we make from reducing the capital and reducing the liability to be utilized to write off goodwill and PL account, still any money left is utilized to write off depreciation from plant and machinery. The authorized capital of the company is 40,000 shares of rupees 100 each. It is just information purpose, ignore it. Give the journal entry and prepare capital reduction account and reconstructed balance sheet. The journal entries in the books of the company. We have old equity share capital account debit 38 lakh to new equity share capital account 38,000 into 40 rupee we get 15 lakh 20,000. Differencing figure 22 lakh 80,000 is called capital reduction. Debenture account debit 2 lakh to new equity share capital 80,000, that's 2,000 into 40 rupees. So we are settling debenture by with 80,000. Remaining is called as capital reduction account. Third, capital reduction account debit, you get 24 lakh to goodwill 4 lakh to PL account 19 lakh 40,000 to depreciation on machinery. Balancing figure is 60,000. So as you are aware how to prepare the capital reduction account. So whatever the profits we make from reducing the liability comes in credit side, and whatever the expenses and losses that we written off will come in the debit side. So we made a profit by reducing the equity share capital by 22 lakh 80,000, and then we reduced the debenture by settling their amount by 80,000 and made a profit of 1 lakh 20,000. Total profit 24 lakh is used to write off goodwill 4 lakh, PL account 19 lakh 40,000, and then depreciation on machinery 60,000. So the balance sheet liability side, equity share capital, the reduced new equity share capital is 15 lakh 20,000, that's 38,000 shares into 40 rupees, plus 80,000 shares we have given it to debenture as full settlement. Then total equity share capital comes to 16 lakh. Debentures dash because debentures are fully settled by giving of equity share. And then we have creditors 2 lakh. So the balance sheet asset side we have land and building 2 lakh, no adjustments. Machinery 5 lakh 20,000 minus 60,000 depreciation we get 4 lakh 60,000. Then furniture 40,000, no adjustments. Stock 7 lakh 40,000. Debtors 3 lakh 60,000, both no adjustments. Thereby the balance sheet tallies at 18 lakhs. Thank you.